everyone, welcome to Only the Shreya. If you want to know how the public transport in Edinburgh works, then this video is for you. Because I'm going to tell you how the public transport works in Edinburgh, what are the best ways for you to travel in Edinburgh, and also a lot of secrets throughout this video, tips and tricks which will make your travel very convenient when you are in Edinburgh, whether you are coming here as a tourist or gonna live as a native. So let's get started. There are a lot of public transports in Edinburgh, which includes buses, trains, and trams. Let's talk about bus. I feel in Edinburgh, buses are the most convenient way for anyone to travel from one place to another place. They only have one company, major company called Lothian Buses. They have other branches as well like Skylink, Airlink, and East Lothian Buses. But you have to find a City Lothian bus, which will be in white and maroon color, just like this. And if you find this bus, this is your bus to get in and around Edinburgh. How much they charge to get a bus in Edinburgh? Well, for an adult, they will charge £2 for a single journey. For a child, they will charge around £1 for a single journey. But here is a tip. If you are going to travel in a bus more than 3 times in the whole day, it is better to take a day pass, which will be £5 for an adult and £2.50 for a child. And it is the best way, and you can take as many buses as many you want in the whole day. If you are just going to go from one place to another place and then return from that place, it will only take you £4.80, which means you'll save around 20 pence not using so many buses. How to make the payment for the fare in bus? Well, the best option is contactless card. Basically, you just need to tap your card in the slot given for tap, and then it will just cut the amount that you need to pay for your journey. If you use the same card throughout the day, it will cap it to £4.80, which means however much you use, it will only at the end of the day charge you £4.80 for the whole journey. Here's another tip. If you're going to pay for 2 people from the same card, you can just tap for your ticket and tell the driver where your friend is going, and then the driver will again enable the tap card for yourself, and when you tap again, it will take the amount for both of the passengers. If that makes you confusing, then don't worry. You can just tell the driver where you're traveling and how many tickets you want. They will enable tap for you, and once you tap in the tap slot, it will take the amount for both the passengers, and the driver may also give you a paper ticket for you to keep. Also, you have to be careful if you are using the Airlink, Skylink or East Lothian buses. When you get in the bus, you have to tell the driver where you are traveling for, so he can take the correct amount and you are not paying the wrong amount by taking these buses, because sometimes these buses cost more than what you'll be paying in the City Lothian buses. Also, if the contactless and these kind of things make you confusing and you want to go old-fashioned and wants to pay cash, then it has to be the exact amount, either £5 or 4.80 or £2. If you don't have the exact fare, you don't get the change. So the driver may ask you to either get the exact fare or they won't give you the change. If you have the change, good. Just tell the driver where you're going for, and the driver will take the amount from you and give you the paper ticket. There's another way for you to take the bus. It's called etiquette. If you go to Lothian Buses app, you can download the app. The minimum fare there is £4. You can activate your ticket and show it to the driver. It's just that you will need internet connection when you have this app for you to enable or activate the ticket. Now, if you're new in Edinburgh, you'll be like, how will I know which bus to take? There is a Transport for Edinburgh app which will enable you to see the real-time buses and the places they are going to. So you can then just navigate the app and will be able to know which bus to take. To be honest, I feel if you just use Google, because I have been using the Google, never the app, it helped me knowing which bus to take. Now let's talk about tram. One of my favorite things in Edinburgh is getting on a tram because it's exciting. I don't know why. I'm very excited to get on a tram. So the tram goes to airport and then city centre, in and around Edinburgh, and then go to North Edinburgh, which is Leith and New Haven. It takes the same amount as you'll pay for the buses to get on a tram. For a single journey, you'll have to pay £2, and for a return journey, you'll have to pay around £4, and the day pass is £5 to use tram. If you take a day pass for tram, or day pass for a Lothian bus, you can also use the tram. So that's the best thing about it. It is recommended for you to take the day pass if you think you're going to take a tram and take a Lothian bus. Edinburgh tram has a pre-purchase policy. So when we first came in Edinburgh and we were super excited to get on a tram because we'll just pay on the tram, we realized they take onboarding fee for £10 each passenger if you don't book your ticket previously before boarding the tram. Then we got on the tram and the person was like, £20 for traveling this place to that place. And I was like, how? It's just £5 for like a day pass, right? It's just £10 for 2 people. And then he said no, because you haven't gotten your ticket before boarding the tram, which means I'm going to take £10 per person as a onboarding fee. Then we were like, I'm so sorry, but we didn't know about it. And the gentleman was kind and he just let us out. Then we got out and got a tram ticket outside on a tram stop, and then we boarded again. To get the tram ticket, you can just use the vending machine, or you can also use the M-ticket from the same app that I just told you about, or you can also buy the tickets on the Edinburgh tram website. But the vending machine is the easiest way. So if you don't want to use the public transport and want to have some privacy, then you can also take the black cabs in Edinburgh. They usually cost around $3.60 to get in, and it depends on where you're traveling to, the fare increases. Major cabs are city cabs and central taxi. There's also Uber available if you get. So if you are going outside Edinburgh, whether you're traveling to Dundee, Glasgow or any other place from Edinburgh, like one-day trips, then there are several other buses called mega buses, Stagecoach, CityLink, which can take you to other parts of Scotland or in UK. Now if you go to Waverley Station in Edinburgh, you'll find ScotRail and other trains which will take you from Edinburgh to other places in UK. Well, this was my guide for you to use the Edinburgh public transport. If I have missed anything, let me know in the comments and I will try to answer all of it. If not, and you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. It will definitely make my day and make me more excited to make new videos for you. Anyway, I don't know why I'm still talking. So, I'll see you in the next video.